Let's unbox the Longchamp Le Pliage. Kahirap mag-pronounce. Longchamp. Longchamp. Chestnut na color. Bye-bye. Oh. Wow. Serious. Takbag Longchamp Le Pliage. Chestnut color. Naman na. Sa small bag na sila provide na paper bag. Ah! Shut up. Paper bag. Very small, no? Too small. And then let's see. Wow. Really cute. Ito, cute to. Uy, grabe ka cute. As in. Kasya ang iPhone, lipstick, whatsoever na pangpa-guwapan mo. Pero promise, gwapo kayo lahat. Leather, oh, see. Cute kayo siya. As in. Pili na ako ng same color ang duha. Kay, gusto na ko siya na color. Tapos na ako siya smaller, I mean, same size, pero pink. Pero, 1,000 plus months. So, lang po. That's all, bye.